In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export form submissions in HubSpot step by step. Whether you need to download leads for reporting, share data with your sales team, backup submissions, or analyze responses in Excel, this quick process will help you get it done in just a few clicks. HubSpot makes exporting form data simple once you know where to look, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical HubSpot tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top navigation bar. Hover over Marketing, then go to Lead Capture and click on Forms. This will take you to the Forms dashboard where you can see all the forms you've created inside your HubSpot account. On this page, you'll see a list of your forms along with details like the number of submissions and when they were last updated. Find the specific form that you want to export submissions from. Once you've located it, click on the checkbox that appears to the left of the form name. This selects the form and activates additional options at the top of the table. After selecting the form, look for the Actions drop-down menu. Click on Actions, and from the drop-down options, choose Export Forms. As soon as you click this, a pop-up window will appear on your screen with export settings. Inside this pop-up, you'll need to choose your preferred file format. HubSpot typically gives you options like CSV or XLS. If you plan to work with the data in Excel or upload it into another system, CSV is usually the safest and most flexible choice. If you specifically want an Excel file, you can choose XLS instead. Next, you'll see an option to select a date range. This is especially helpful if you only want submissions from a specific time period, such as the last 30 days, last quarter, or a custom date range. If you want to export all submissions ever received through that form, simply leave the date range set to include all data. Once you've selected your file format and confirmed your date range, click the Export button. HubSpot will begin preparing your file. If the number of submissions is small, the download may start automatically in your browser. However, if you're exporting a larger set of data, HubSpot will send you an email with a secure download link once the file is ready. Go to your email inbox associated with your HubSpot account and look for the export notification. Open the email and click the download link to save the file to your computer. Once downloaded, you can open the file in Excel, Google Sheets, or any spreadsheet software to view and analyze your form submissions. Inside the exported file, you'll typically see each submission listed as a separate row, with columns representing each field in your form, such as name, email address, phone number, company, or any custom questions you added. This makes it easy to sort, filter, and analyze your leads however you need. And that's it. That's exactly how to export form submissions in HubSpot quickly and efficiently. As a quick recap, go to Marketing, then Lead Capture, then Forms. Select the form using the checkbox, click Actions, choose Export Forms, select your file format and date range, and then click Export. Finally, download the file either directly or through the email link HubSpot sends you. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tips, CRM tutorials, and marketing automation guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.